Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. So right now, I will presentations about the impact of climate change on our oceans. When we look at the oceans, we usually see a vast, beautiful blue surface. It looks calm, powerful, and endless. But today, I want to take you beneath that surface because down there our marine ecosystem is screaming for help. How is the condition of our sea now? The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. It provides half of the oxygen we breathe and regulates our climate. Yet, we destroying it at an alarming rate. Today, I will discuss three critical threats facing our marine ecology. The first, plastic pollution. The second, ocean warming. And overfishing. The first, let's talk about the plastic plague. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, at least 14 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. To put that into into perspective, that's equivalent to dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the ocean every single minute. So, secondly, let's talk about microplastic. Plastic breaks down into tiny particles that are eaten by plankton, then by fish, and eventually then they end up on our dinner plates. We aren't just poisoning the ocean, we are poisoning the food chain that supports us. So, right now, let's talk about climate change. The ocean acts as a sponge for our planet's heat. In fact, the ocean has absorbed about 90% of the excess heat generated by greenhouse gas emissions. The IPCC, or Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, has reported that if global temperature rise by just 1.5 Celsius, we could lose 70% to 90% of the world's coral reefs. Why does this matter? Coral reefs are the rainforest for the sea. Without them, millions of marine species lose their homes and coastal communities lose their protection against storms. Right now, let's talk about image of a massive industrial fishing net. Industrial fishing has become so efficient that fish have nowhere to hide. The FAO, or Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, reported in their 2022 State of World Fisheries report that 35.4% of global fish stocks are currently overfished. This means they are being harvested faster than they can reproduce. If we continue at this pace, we risk ecosystem collapse where the predators disappear and the ecological balance is destroyed forever. So, what we can do? We are on the we are all the we are all in this together. We can all be part of the solutions by supporting ocean conservation efforts and spreading awareness about the importance of protecting our oceans. And reactions, big or small, makes a difference. So, I want to give some conclusions. Uh, the ocean is a precious resource that provides us with food, oxygen, and recreations. But it's under immense pressure from climate change. By taking action to protect our oceans, we are not only safeguarding marine life, but also ensuring a healthy future for ourselves and generations to come.